Hey guys, welcome. So in this one, we're talking about how to change your Instagram name without a 2 weeks wait, so 14 days. So the absolute fastest trick, if you just want to get that embarrassing mistake off your profile page immediately, this is the fix. So you might not be able to type a new custom name yet, but you can force Instagram to delete the current one. So open your Instagram, go to your profile tab, and then choose edit profile here. So if you're on the phone, it's going to be pretty much similar. So go down to your name field. It should be in this edit profile section. Tap inside it and then just hit your backspace key until the entire line is completely blank, and then just hit save. And Instagram's system will immediately hide the typo and default to showing just your main username instead. It looks clean, professional, and hides the error while the backend clock counts down. And if you absolutely need to change it still, head over to your profile, tap the three horizontal lines if you're on the phone, and then go to help. So help right here. And in here, guys, just report a problem and select report problem without shaking. Hit include and continue. And you just need to write a highly polite, simple message. For example, hello, my phone was glitched and autofilled the typo into my display name fields. I cannot wait 14 days for that. For the branding purposes, please reset my name change counter. And you can attach a screenshot. And that's pretty much it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and thank you.